Before removing any ceiling fan, proper preparation and safety measures are absolutely critical. Following these steps will protect you from electrical shock and injury. Step 1 is the most important. Turn off the circuit breaker that controls your ceiling fan. Never attempt to work on electrical fixtures while power is still connected. Step 2. Use a voltage tester or multimeter to verify that power is completely off. This double check could save your life, as circuit breakers can sometimes be mislabeled or faulty. Step 3. Gather all necessary tools before you begin. Having everything ready prevents you from leaving the job half-finished or working unsafely. Step 4. Use proper safety equipment. A sturdy step ladder and protective gloves are essential. The ladder must be stable and rated for your weight, while gloves protect against sharp metal edges. Remember, proper preparation prevents accidents and makes the removal process much smoother. Taking these safety measures seriously protects both you and your property from potential damage or injury. The first step in detaching your ceiling fan is removing the light fixture. Start by carefully removing all light bulbs from their sockets. Next, remove the light fixture housing by turning it counterclockwise. Look for notches on the side that will help you grip and turn the fixture. Now disconnect the wires from the light kit to the fan using the molded adapter plugs. The white wire from the light kit connects to the white wire from the fan, and the black wire connects to the blue wire from the fan. Step 2 involves removing the canopy. Look for a small cap at the bottom of the canopy and carefully pry it off using a small screwdriver. Remove the screws underneath the cap. There may be additional screws on the other side of the canopy, so check carefully. Finally, twist the canopy clockwise to remove it completely from the mounting assembly. Step 3 is removing the fan blades. Each blade is typically attached with 2 screws per blade bracket. Remove these screws to detach each blade and its bracket. Step 4 involves removing the motor assembly. First, locate and remove the retaining plate that holds the motor assembly in place by removing its screws. Next, disconnect the wires from the ceiling box. Use colored tape to label each wire as you disconnect it. This will help with future installation or troubleshooting. The typical wiring connections are: black and blue fan wires connect to the black ceiling wire, the white fan wire connects to the white ceiling wire, and all green ground wires connect together. The final step is removing the mounting bracket. Remove all screws holding the mounting bracket to the ceiling box to complete the fan detachment process.